Hey y'all, here's the update on the 260Z gas tank removal. This is what I found underneath it. Some rust. Not a lot. It's not eat up, but it does have some. And of course, every time you touch something, remove something, or whatever, you're going to find rotted hoses on fuel pumps. You're going to find rust in areas that are normal. It can either be really bad or not. So this is pretty manageable. Gas tank is right here. I'm drawing it out right now. I'm fixing to put some KBS tank epoxy in there. This tank was on my donor car, which actually was in really good shape. So yeah, I'm going to coat it and then put it back underneath there. I just soldered one pinhole. Other than that, it's not bad. So while I'm underneath here, I'm actually going to replace the fuel pump. So I ordered one off of the Z Depot something other site, and I got it. So the inlets are faced the wrong way, and it comes with a 2-prong connector, where the Z car factory has that style. Kind of reminds me of a trailer hitch adapter. And of course, you can see the inlet and outlet is faced to the left. Actually, the fuel pump is facing the wrong way, so if you put it on that way, which is the way it's supposed to be, the inlets are faced wrong. So there again, it's just marrying new stuff to old stuff. There's always something to be modified. Kind of like with props, there's always something to be modified to make it, better, more usable. So this is what I'm running into right now.